Hello, dear Capricorn. How are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading till the end of Feb, and let's tap into a partner's energy and your energy, and let's see what is coming to you. Okay. So right now your partner's energy is Eight of Pentacles. So they are working on themselves. They are ready to work on this relationship. They are ready to put the efforts that they were not putting in before. So right now they're in the energy of putting effort, putting work in this relationship, and make this relationship work out with you. Okay. Your energy, on the other hand, is the Six of Cups. So you are nostalgic, you are feeling nostalgic, or maybe you are reliving your past memories, and you have so many memories with this person. Okay, so you are reliving those memories again and again. You are rewinding those memories again and again in your mind, and you want that happily ever after again with this person. Maybe you guys were very very happy in the past. Maybe you guys were working together, or were staying together, or were there was something that was connected to you deeply with regarding this person. So right now they are ready to work on this relationship. Maybe they are also ready to work on their finances, on their own personal growth. So what I can feel is this person is busy in doing their own work, but right now they are also interested in working with you. Okay, in maintaining the harmony in this relationship, maintaining the peace in this relationship. Okay, how they see you is the Page of Cups energy. So they see you as a person who is emotionally off, or who is emotionally immature. So they found you a little immature in regards to emotions. So maybe they are finding you a little inconsiderate. So they are feeling like you're not putting that much effort into the relationship. You're not able to understand what they want to say to you. You're not able to feel the energy which they feel. So basically they feel like you are kind of emotionally off or emotionally immature person. Yes, you are a beautiful person from inside, they know it, but they feel like sometimes you're not able to understand what they want to tell you. Okay, and what you feel about how you see your person, you see your person as the King of Swords. So you sometimes feel like your person is too harsh, or they are too honest. Sometimes being too honest is also a problem, because they are very blunt. They tell you exactly what they feel, or they say exactly what they want to say. They don't sugarcoat things or whatever. So you feel like your person is kind of bitter, or a person is kind of blunt person, or they are like because they are very honest, because they are the King of Swords. Because of this energy, you sometimes feel like your person is very very blunt, and they are not in the zone of loving you. Rather, they are in the zone of insulting you or something like that. So for you, your person is kind of a bitter person, or a very straightforward and blunt person, as you see them. Okay, what they feel about you, the Emperor energy, they feel very very stuck. They are feeling like, okay, they feel like what they want is the only thing that can work out in this relationship. They want this relationship to work out according to them, because the Emperor doesn't want to change things. The Emperor is the person who wants what they want, and it is like their way or the highway. It is like my way is the only way to work out in this relationship. I will make the rules, I will make all the necessary amendments, and you have to follow, Capricorn. And that is what is causing problem in this relationship. Okay, how you feel about this person? So this is the Five of Pentacles. You feel like your person left you in the cold and abandoned you, or maybe they are walking away from you. You feel like your person is no more the same as they were used to be in the past. So you basically are waiting on them, maybe. So Capricorn, your person is walking away, and you are feeling it energetically. Maybe physically they are with you, maybe physically they are around you. Okay, and you guys are meeting as well, you guys are talking as well, but you feel like energetically on some level they are walking away from you, they are going away from you on some level. Okay, and what they want from this relationship, this is the Eight of Wands energy. They want a very fast and honest and open conversation. They want to communicate really 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 deeply. This is kind of deep level problem that they are feeling from inside. So they want to communicate really openly and honestly with you. They want to give you all the minute details of their heart, and they want to listen to all the minute and little details of your heart. So basically they want an open and honest conversation with you to proceed further in this relationship with you. Okay, what you want from this relationship is the Knight of Swords energy. You want to rush into things, you want to rush into things and make everything all right. But this is not happening, Capricorn. This is not how it works. You have to be open and honest, because what they are feeling is true. So if they are ready to have an open and honest conversation with you, a heart to heart conversation, a heart to heart talk with you, you should go for that rather than rushing into things and rushing into this energy of, okay, just make things right, make things the way they used to be. Okay, so you are rushing into things and they are acting mature here. They are ready for an open and honest conversation, communication with you. So please slow down a little bit, Capricorn. If you want this person in your life, slow down a little bit and be ready for the communication, be ready for the conversation. If you want this relationship, if you want this person in your life, if you don't want this person, even then you should be courageous enough, you should be patient enough to listen to other person's story, other side of the story. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so the outcome from their side is the Empress. So they are in their own power. See, the Emperor is also there in their reading, and the Empress is also there. They are feeling very very powerful. They are maybe acting very very controlling. They are right now in the zone of, okay, I will make this relationship work out no matter how hard it is looking right now, but I will try to make this relationship work out. I will put the efforts, I will put the work, I will do everything that is possible. If after this, all these efforts and all this drama, even after this, if this relationship is not going to work out, I will just leave and I will just focus on myself and my work, my own happiness, my own world. Okay, they are not going to give a shit about you then, if we are not going to listen to them. Okay, Capricorn, they are being very honest with you right now. I can feel it. And energetically you are also feeling that, yeah, they are walking away from your life, that they are going away from your life. You are feeling kind of cold. You are feeling left out in the cold, or you are feeling like they abandoned you or something like that. But no, this is not the real issue. The real issue is the communication here. There's communication gap between you guys, and you guys are not maybe seeing eye to eye to each other. So basically this is kind of energy that I'm feeling is you are rushing into things and they want things to settle down in a very calm and composed and mature way. Okay, so the outcome from your side is the Four of Wands. This is happiness, this is stability, this is kind of, okay, let's make it work out together. So basically there will be communication, there will be lots of talks, lots of communication, lots of pain and agony going away from both of yours hearts, from both of your hearts. I'm sorry about this. So from both of your hearts. Okay, so basically, yeah, the outcome from your side is very nice. So this is the Four of Wands energy. Maybe things will sort out, maybe things will come out in your favor if you are ready to listen. Okay, and yeah, this is a kind of energy. So yeah, Capricorn, the potential for growth of for this particular relationship is the Nine of Cups energy. Sorry about that. So the Nine of Cups energy is telling me that this person can be your happily ever after. This person can make you feel happy and fulfilled and content and a long term potential. So you just have to be honest and open to them. Okay, and the guidance from the universe is the Moon card. You have lots of fear, you have lots of troubles, you have lots of secrets maybe that you are hiding from this person, or maybe you are like subconsciously you are in a fearful way, in a fearful environment right now. You are fearing this commitment, you are fearing this relationship. Maybe you are fearing like, no, this is not going to work out. Maybe you are fearing, what if that happens, what if that happened, what if it is not going to work out the way I am picturing it or I'm imagining it. Okay, so basically the universe wants to tell you, please let go of these subconscious fears and be an open and honest person. It is going to help you a lot. And another message from the Love Oracle cards is the Chaser. Chaser is codependent. Chaser in codependent relationship, fear of abandonment issue. I'm telling you, you have lots of fear in your mind, in your subconscious mind, and you have to let go of those fears. Otherwise, you are going to be stuck like that only, the way you are feeling right now. Okay, so yeah, read it aloud for 3-4 times, and you will get the message clearly. Okay. So Capricorn, basically your person right now is in the zone of being an emperor, being an empress, they are adamant, they know what they want from this relationship, what they want from you, or maybe they are working on themselves right now and they are waiting for you to communicate with them. And all they want is open and honest communication, not harsh energy, not hard energy, or not any kind of forceful energy, Capricorn. And if you want to work with this person in the long term, you have to be open and honest with them. You don't have to rush into things, you don't have to force into things, or you don't have to, pressurize anything on them. You just have to be open and honest with them, so that this person can also feel the warmth, feel the love. Okay, right now there is no love in this reading. All I can see is kind of miscommunications, and a person walking away from you. But yes, at last you guys are going to be happy. I can feel that. Okay, yeah. So that's all about you, Capricorn, till the end of Feb, and I hope it will help you out. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Thank you. God bless you.